Well, the retaining wall behind me, I've been working on for a while, and I had to get that done first because along here, it's got to follow, I've got to relay a lot of these pavers. And it's not so bad up there. Don't know what I have to do up the top yet. Hope I don't have to relay those. But the big deal is all these pavers, which you can't really see on the back patio. Over time, the ground has made it really bumpy. And that's not such a bad thing. But what you can see, what you can't see from this angle, this concrete footpath, I'd poured that first. And then I had some guys come in and do the pavers. Well, you can kind of, I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but the actual footpath is tilting up at this kind of angle, exaggerated angle. It tilts into the house. Well, that's just not right. So I have to take the concrete out, and I'm going to replace it with the same kind of creamy square pavers. But what I got up there is a truck full of pavers, and that's what's going to replace all this area that the concrete's covering right now. Here's the pavers that I'll be putting down. I got these on Marketplace. They were left over from a build. Somebody's building a house. They had these left over from their back patio. These are 1/3 price. And that was a pretty good deal. Now there's too many. There's 145 of them here. I only need about 100 to replace that concrete. And today I have to unload these and stack them somewhere for the next series of videos that I'm going to do. I didn't capture some of this on camera, but I have to cut out this concrete footpath, and I know I made it really thick. It's like just under 4 inches thick, which is too much, but you know, I didn't know what I was doing. Anyways, that's not really a problem. It's just that it's got a mesh in it as well, and that mesh is right near the bottom. So I have to cut almost all the way through that to cut the mesh, to enable me to get these pieces small enough that I can pick them up and move them. So, of course, the first pass I made, I thought it was deep enough, but didn't cut through the mesh. So now I'm having to retrace all the lines, do them twice. That's always fun. So, yeah, I believe anything worth doing is worth doing over. Here we go.